Wow. Okay. That's awesome. Great ride, bye. Yeah, great ride. Hi, this is Neil. We are very fortunate to visit another factory. Lu Yao is the brand. It's under another company name, but they make earphones, wireless phones, Bluetooth phones, and also drones. But we're not sure if they make them directly or they source them in. But anyway, let's find out what their factory is doing. So come inside. Thank you. Come on in. Thank you, Edgar. Thank you, Kasima. Yeah. Second floor. Thank you for seeing us. Li Yao, Shenzhen Lishan Xindai Technology Company. Excellent. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go in.
Okay. This is our factory.
Okay.
Should we have a rest inside or just check our production line?
If the production line is running now, we can see it now. Everything is in here. I want to. Which country are you shipping to for today's?
Mostly for Spain and Japan.
Spain and Japan?
Yes.
Wow.
We
Very
hold
good.
the ODM project for our customers.
Wow.
Yes. And we have our own developing department.
Right.
Yes. Okay, this way.
Oh, thank you. Oh, very good. Excellent. Oh, very good. So where's the front of the production? Hi, we're at the assembly line here, and what we're making is the earphone device. And so you've got the right and the left, and see them wear it like that. And then you've got the Bluetooth. Turn it on, turn it off, and volume and everything. So what we're going to show you now is the step-by-step process that we go through to make this device. So come on in and enjoy the process. Thank you. Okay, put it down here. Good. The very first step is we need to join the wire onto the speaker. Okay, so let's have a look. So here we have, this is the right-hand side speaker, and the wire is being soldered onto the right-hand side speaker. Okay, switch. Right, so let's solder it on here. Okay, and so we're soldering it. You gotta get the wires correct too, otherwise it won't come out properly. It's a very delicate situation. Wow, just touch it like that very quickly. And so now we need to do the left-hand side. So then we've got the left-hand side speaker here. Okay, this is a very delicate operation. Wow, amazing. Okay, so the next step is we need to join the other side, which is the actual Bluetooth unit, the receiver and the battery. So we need to go around here. So now we're joining the two wires onto each end of the PCB unit, and that has the battery attached to it. And we've got to get the wires correct, so we've basically got three different wires that need to be soldered here. So this is a very delicate operation here. 1, 2, and 3. Wow, that's amazing to get those three wires done properly. That is so delicate. It takes a lot of steady hands to do that. Amazing. Alright, and then they're going to be put to the next stage. slowly. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now before we get to there, we've got to join the other side of the speaker here. So we're just pulling that through, and then glue, a little bit of the glue, and then we're going to just click. Okay, very good. And now we want to put a housing on the PCB unit, and so this is the housing that we're putting on now. So this needs to be delicately put in, because the housing actually keeps the wires from pulling each other. You don't want wires coming off. So this needs to be handled carefully. Battery in first, and the PCB unit clicks in, and then you've got to put this into the stays at each end that stops the wires from being pulled. And got to unravel them if they've been twisted. Wow, that's a delicate job. Put that on top, so that seals it in, hopefully. Yes. And we've got our little volume and turning off and on control that clicks in, seals in, and tap, 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 tap. Wow. There you have it. That's it. And now we made it. There you go. Simple step process. Hopefully it'll give you a lifetime of enjoyment. There you have it. Welcome. So here we've got other materials. So this is materials inspection here.
Yeah. For the appearance.
Yes.
Like we need to make all the raw materials in good quality, also in the appearance.
Right. So that's come in from the supplier.
Yes.
Earphone materials receiving. Okay. So here we're putting.
We do the assemblies.
Wow. I used to have one of those earphones. I used to have a earphone like that.
Yeah,
I've seen.
yes.
This is a Bluetooth.
Later
version.
we can send you as a gift.
Oh,
For
yes,
the Bluetooth
sure.
earphone.
Wow. So just click in like that. Wow. So you've got these partly completed, and they come from. So they're breaking off, and then they put this unit over the top. So, okay.
This is for the speakers.
Yes.
Yes.
But where do these come from? Where
This is a PCBA.
I know, it comes from which part? From supplier or from another part of the production?
Supplier. Supplier. This is the whole PCBA. Like the IC is V micro, and this is the whole PCBA.
I understand.
Yeah, and this is the battery. We get the raw materials from our suppliers.
Do you solder that yourself, or does a supplier do it for you?
No, we do not sell the PCBA.
No, do you solder? Do you attach this to here? Do you do the attachment? Do they do the attachment, or the supplier bring this all together?
你的供应商一个给你，还是你们在还要焊接？
要焊，对，我们是给，就是我们只有单个的 PCBA 跟电池，然后我们再把它焊在一起。
They do it.
Oh, okay.
It's
Oh,
together.
he's doing it over the other side. That's right. Okay. Oh, there it is. It's on the other side.
Oh
It's
yeah.
on the other side of doing it. Okay. So here we're doing the speaker. We get this one. Okay, so this is the headphone part. Wow, very delicate operation. It's amazing. This is very delicate activity. Right.
this process, can this process be automated? Any chance?
No, that's hard.
This is hard.
But,
Handmade.
no, the soldering part.
Yeah.
Yeah, it can. You'd have to have a machine and you put it into the jig and it comes down, boom, out, and then it spits it out.
Yeah.
But these things are relatively inexpensive. Yeah, so. Wow. That's very... Okay. Well, you'd have to get the wires correct too, you know?
Yeah,
The
right
red and the green
left.
wire, the right and left. Right. Boom. Because it happens from time to time that you're running and suddenly you don't get any. It stops working. Right?
Yes. Yeah. Disconnect.
It happens.
So
It's a norm.
it depends on how you use it.
Well,
Probably
for sport, it's going to be
1 year.
pulled and active.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1 year, yes.
Yeah.
Lucky if you get more than a year out of these. Yeah. So is this one side and that's the other side, or they're both?
Yes, one and another, right and left.
Ah, so this is the left and that's the right.
Yes.
Okay, so you don't want to get that mixed up.
Yeah.
Wow.
While the right one is in short size for the length, and the left
That
one is longer.
It's the long one, yes.
Yes.
The long
And
one.
as we need to make the control box on the right.
Right,
Yes.
okay. Okay. So this is the,
This is the right one.
okay, so that's the final product outside, and then that will go into the control box on the
Yeah.
on the other side.
Yes.
Okay.
This the
It's very nice. Very good design. Okay. Oh, we'll go around to the other place.
客人会来看场，然后你会介绍。
对，就是我们帮我们做那个合作之前。
Oh. So this becomes more important because
Yeah.
you've got that anti-static band because he's working close to
Yeah.
the PCBA.
Yeah. This
Yes.
is almost
IC.
the final assemblies.
Yes, but this is very critical. This you put the battery on.
Yes.
How big is the battery? About 40 milliamp hours. Very small battery.
It's around 70
Is it?
70 mAh.
Wow. Oh, 60 mAh. Ah, okay. Thanks, Katina. Thank you.
Hot.
It's all right.
You need your jacket.
I know.
That's why you
But at least I appreciate the workers.
你看我讲课都不会，不会穿这个。
因为讲
太热了，今天38度，外面开。
这里是空调坏了，这几天没来修，还没来修，这里的空调。本来我们这边也是有空调。
Okay, so these are 60 milliamp hour batteries going into each.
这个 这边来卢老师这边稍微
So you compare that with the AAA, which is normally about, what, 500, 600 milliamp hours. This is about one-tenth of your little AAA battery. So we're doing the right side, yeah.
the
right-
right one.
Right side, yes, correct. Okay. This one here, under there. Do that one there. Sorry, yeah. That one there. Up a bit. Up. No, up a bit. There. That's it. Okay, so then that will go to there. There you go. And this is the PCB. The whole unit, got the battery and the PCB, they come from the other supplier. Yeah. Okay, very good. There's another product.
Another one.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay. So is there another final part to that product there?
The final.
No, on the other side he's working on that too, right?
Yeah.
So maybe we go over here for the same product. Product?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is left side and right side.
This is right.
Right side, and then that's the left side. So they can go on like that. Is that right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. And then you got Bluetooth, 60 milliamp hour battery inside, and Bluetooth stereo headset. And then charge up with a micro USB.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
And so this is sold in Spain.
Spain
Japan
and UK.
Yes. Very good. Excellent. Love it. Well done. Thank you.
And we will do charges that way.
Okay, so we're going to check
and
the burn-in.
And all the products will be checked.
Double checked.
In our inspection department.
Oh, okay. This is good. All right. So we follow this to the. Oh, so the charging is over here. Sorry, Cosima, dragging you around. So the.
Please stay closer with her because I cannot hear her voice.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I appreciate that. So the burn-in. Okay. So that will be charged for how long?
Around 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So and 100% of the units is being charged. So
Yeah.
everything's being charged. Okay. And
Okay, after all the items were charged, we will do the inspection
do
here.
the inspection.
Yeah, like
Okay.
the test for the speakers, the microphone, yes, and the working performance for all the
Right.
functions.
Ah.
And this is our
So we actually.
our colleagues are inspect the items now.
Yes. So this is a soundproof room. This is the one that I only wouldn't be able to video. But their rooms were very, very nice. It's amazing.
Getting there.
It's the right idea. Yes.
And that way,
I wouldn't like to be locked in there.
and at that way will be our QC department and the warehouse.
Wow.
And at that way is our packaging line.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, that's wonderful. So we've got these steps right, haven't we? Because somehow when they come in here like this is step one here. Then the batteries are attached to here. Over at the battery is attached to here somewhere, right? Where are the batteries? Who attaches the batteries? Where are the batteries attached to the PC?
The battery will test in our QC department.
But
什么时候把那个电池放进去？ 粘上，把它
like this one here.
它这边有一个
The
电，
battery is attached.
是哪个步骤？是电？
就是说把电池把它焊上去，是不是？
对对，焊上去，在
这
哪个步骤
个前加？工做完了。This is
just
one of a part of the pre-production.
Pre-production.
and then they
process.
swapped over.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Right. Interesting. But that's interesting here. Oh, the batteries are already attached.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So pre-production, the battery's already attached
Yeah,
to
yeah.
PCBA. So this is one of the early stages. Okay. So and then the parallel process is you've got the left-hand side, the right-hand side and the left-hand side
yes.
speakers being made, and that's in parallel with the the next is attaching it to the PCB here.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So that's the third stage. Third stage here. Okay. And then we are then enclosing the whole unit in the fourth stage here. Is that right?
Yes.
Close enough. Okay, good. Thank you.
它是排那个步骤。
Do you mean the whole
Just-
output for
Just the output for this one? Yeah.
per day, right? The output for one production line would be around 2,000.
2,000.
per day.
And the earphones, how many of
It
them?
depends on the models.
Okay, so that model there, the
That
green model,
would be around 2,000.
2,000.
3,000.
Okay. So you'll get what is your minimum order quantity for that blue?
Minimum.
Yeah, for this here. Okay. So here's I'll put that down here. All right. So here's our Bluetooth headphone. So what's the MOQ on this?
1,000.
1,000.
Yeah, yeah.
And FOB price?
It would be 4.6.
4.6 US dollar.
Yeah, yeah.
And 1,000 MOQ.
Yeah.
Wow. So now we're going to find out how we make these. Like Edgar, the Amazon Power Sellers. This is perfect, right? Perfect entry to the market, you know?
Yes.
Right? So this is good. I like it. 4.6. Wow. 1,000. It's a good investment.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. Very good. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
The warehouse for all the raw materials.
Okay. So the raw materials coming in here, they're going to be
yeah.
stored,
Yeah.
and the incoming inspection of raw materials
That way.
is done through here.
Yeah, here. If all the raw materials will finish it for the fully quality inspections,
Yes.
then we will put them into the warehouse.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. Are you making these models too?
Yeah, of course.
Really?
Yeah, this is our private model.
Wow. Do you sell for overseas?
Yeah, of course. It's very elegant.
It is very elegant.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I had some buyers from overseas asking me
Yeah.
about that.
Really?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Uh,
And this design is our unique design.
Oh, very good. So we're in the inspection area here, QC inspection or raw materials inspection?
both.
Both.
Yeah.
Okay, raw materials and after manufacturer. Okay. Final product inspection here. So a burn-in room here.
Yeah, this is also for charging.
Do you have records of the charging?
Yes.
Do you?
We will record this in a paper.
Make a record
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
paper. Oh, that's good. I
For
like
how
that.
long and which model
Right.
and how is the situation.
Right.
Yes, and then testing results.
Oh, very good. Yeah. Did you? Another factory we went to, they actually computerized. They had computerized all the charging.
Computer? Oh.
Yeah. So then the computer automatically recorded.
We
Everything.
are planning to improve all the manufacture
Yes,
procedures
right.
like automatic machines. But
Mm.
we are investigating for this, but not
Right.
是怎么讲来着？就是还没有
Yeah.
实行。
I think you'd need more volume.
Not execute why? Not execute yet why?
Why?
为什么？为什么还没有执行
Because for the money,
The money.
Cost. Oh,
Yeah, cost.
oh, oh, oh.
Yeah, yeah.
Investment.
Yeah,
investment, more investment.
Yes.
Yes, interesting. Okay. So what's your...
But we are prefer to import such a project in our factory as it will improve our output.
Wow.
Yes.
Amazing.
Like if 10% or 20% or 100%
Wow.
can manufacture around 10K, but maybe the machine can make it 10K.
Yes.
Yes.
Exactly. Can speed up. But then you've got to find out which process is the bottleneck. Because if there's a bottleneck and you have a machine, then you don't get the benefit of the machine. So sometimes the bottleneck is in the testing and the QC. Because this takes time. You cannot, like, it only takes 1 minute operation in each process and assembly. But when you plug it in here, it's got to be here for 2 hours.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So then you've got to figure out where the bottlenecks are. That's the challenge, I think.
大概懂吗？
大概懂吗？
他说瓶颈的地方，你如果就算那个自动化的回用，那你需要时间你做好了都要等但你要
我们全部做完再
要想清楚 automation 应该是在哪个部分。
肯定是前加工，就加工，就是I mean, the automatic machine can help us to manufacture all the items.
Yes.
But we can proceed the QC checkings by our own colleagues.
Yes, but
Yes.
then this you cannot speed up the burn-in because the charging takes 2 hours anyway. You cannot speed that up.
Then we can extend the quantities.
Oh yeah,
of the
then you just
charges.
need more of these.
Yeah.
Yeah,
More
I've been
charging
into some
house.
factories where it's just got 1, 2,
Yeah, of
3,
course.
many.
Yes.
Alright.
So we can shorten the
Correct.
time. Yeah.
And then another factory, they had 1, 2, 3, 4, but they had a computer. Remember the computer we
Yes.
went? Yeah.
Yes.
And so then the computer was actually recording all of the charging.
Yeah.
And yeah, very good. Excellent. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Very good.
Yes, machine for assemblies.
So, but you're not using it?
I cannot. Excuse me. 你们谁会用这个机子啊？
Not with this product, not making today, so it's okay.
有在做。Yes,
Yeah.
we maybe this morning.
So that
Just
pushes
finished.
together rather than bang, bang, bang.
Yeah.
Individually. Right, Edgar? Is that right? Yeah. Okay. So you find that machine is faster?
Yeah, of course, and it can make the items more durable.
Like this one here.
Yeah,
Same process.
It costs time.
Yes.
Yeah.
So same process as the bang bang.
Yeah.
Then the machine just. Okay. Yes. Oh, very good. Okay.